welcome to another video on Geek Tech TV. So today we have a pretty special, semi-interesting video. We've got the unboxing of the Note 10 Plus. Now, unlike most YouTubers, I haven't grabbed the Aura Glow. So the Aura Glow is it's silver, really. If you're looking at it from close up, you need to have like several different light sources, head at a certain angle, and then it'll do the rainbow thing, which is cool. Samsung probably saw Huawei and the other companies doing like 2 to 3 colors, and Samsung's like, give them all the colors. So we decided to go for the black version at this point. So we're going to go ahead and unbox it. After I've unboxed it, I'm going to talk through how it feels, how it looks, yada yada yada, my first impressions, and then I'm going to use it for a little while. So I've currently got the S10 Plus, but I will use this for at least a week as my full-time driver, literally transfer all of my data, everything, and fully commit to it, and then do a proper review after that. So feel free to subscribe to find out more, but for now, let's get on to the unboxing. Alright, so as you can see, we've got the box here. We've also got the stress candle in case I drop it again, and then therefore I can light that. But box looks like pretty much any other flagship box, right? Sleek, blah blah blah, and clean. So we're gonna just go ahead and do a lift off, and of course something was gonna happen there. So we've got the little box here. Inside here we've got the SIM tray, or the SIM opener for the SIM tray. We've got this bit which looks like it's supposed to pop something out at some point, I think. Here we go. And it's, no, I thought I was gonna, no, it is, it's a case. That's good. So if you haven't bought yourself a case, or you're afraid of protecting it, at least it comes with a clear semi, that's a half decent case, man. So if you don't have a case already, or you're waiting on one like me, you've probably ordered like a D brand skin or something else, then at least you've got something to protect your device. So here's the device itself, and in fact, can you get me my S10 Plus? I want to do like a bit of a comparison, right? The device looks really, really nice as it's sitting in the box. Now this is my current daily driver with the Pitaka carbon fiber case, and that's the S10, the S10 Plus, and it's actually like size-wise not too far off, except I like the fact that this has significantly squarer corners. So that can sit there for now. And let's do the old lift off. And here it is. Like, it feels, gosh, now I wanna hit the compare button. Bearing in mind this is actually got a case in it, but first of all, like a decent amount heavier than the S10 Plus, and my S10's got a case on it. This doesn't have a case on it, so this without a case is heavier than the S10 with a legit carbon fiber case on it, unless my left hand is significantly weaker than my right. But really, really nice feeling. It feels comfortable. I don't have the biggest hands in the world, ladies and gentlemen, but it feels good, man. And to be honest with you, I'm a much bigger fan of this color than I am of the Aura, and I've seen the Aura Glow in person. So let's go ahead and see. So here's the other annoying thing, right? No buttons on this side at all. But anyway, let's see if it's got any juice. Now, spec-wise, it's actually not too different to the S10 Plus, so I don't expect this screen to be revolutionary compared to what I'm used to. Samsung did really drop the ball here by not including a screen that's a higher refresh rate. It would have been really nice to see a 90 FPS screen on this, and it's not like they don't do it, it's not like they don't have the capability. They make screens for other companies already that do it. But yeah, I mean, like the screen on that is actually, it's nice. Size-wise, it's bigger. I'm a big fan of the actual center hole punch. Yeah, so let's quickly see what else is in the box while we're here. We've just got a cover. So Samsung ships it out with, unfortunately, this thing supports 45 watts worth of quick charge. Like, that is crazy on a phone, which I'm keen to try out. Thanks, sweet baby Jesus, for USB-C. Like, thank God they've, you know, fully adopted the whole USB-C train. iPhone, please, at some point, play ball. Other than that, they've got the little charging. Is there anything else in here? There might be something in here, if I can figure out how to open the damn thing. So there's something in there. That looks like a... Wow, I'm now glad I have tiny hands. I have no idea what the hell this is. Do you have any idea what the hell this is? I have no idea what the hell this is. This looks like a tool for... Oh, okay, hang on. No, I do know what this is. This is a tool for extracting something, probably for taking out the tips of the S Pen, and they've included 2 S Pen tips in there. And for when your tips wear out from overuse. What else have we got in here? We've got an actual half-decent USB-C cable. Got that there. And then lastly, we've got some USB-C AKG headphones. Yes, they've gotten rid of the headphone jack, but they do give you headphones that can plug straight in without the need for a dongle. I'm now going to go ahead and use this as my daily driver for the next couple of weeks or a week or so, and then we'll do a full review. Cool, so that brings us to the end of our unboxing. Thank you very much for watching the video. Subscribe if you want to go ahead and see the full review. That's going to happen a week later. We're also about to review a bunch of other stuff that's sitting on the table and obviously unbox them. But yeah, this channel is going to be a little bit different. It'll be probably light-hearted humor. Yeah, so like if you like the video, subscribe if you want to go ahead and see more, and peace out.